Hello everyone, this is Sarvahita from MCA department of Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am here to explain a few topics of the subject MC4102 Object Oriented Software Engineering. Now let us see about the topic GRASP. First let us see what is GRASP. GRASP is General Responsibility Assignment Software Patterns. So this is abbreviated as GRASP, which consists of guidelines for assigning the responsibility to the classes and objects in object-oriented design. The different patterns and principles used in GRASP are information expert, creator, controller, low coupling, high cohesion, polymorphism, pure fabrication, indirection, protected variations. All these patterns answer some software problem, and in almost every cases these problems are common to most every software development project. These techniques have not been invented to create new ways of working, but to better document and standardize the old tried and tested programming principles in object oriented design. Creator. Creation of objects is one of the most common activities in an object-oriented system. Which class is responsible for creating objects is a fundamental property of the relationship between objects of particular classes. In general, a class B should be responsible for creating the instance of class A, and if one or preferably more of the following apply, that is, instance of B contains or compositely aggregates instance of A. Instance of B record instances of A. Instances of B closely use instance of A. Instance of B have the initializing information for instance of A and pass it on a creation. Now let us see about information expert. The information expert is a principle used to determine where to delegate responsibilities. These responsibilities include the methods, computed fields, and so on. Using the principle of information expert, a general approach to assign the responsibilities is to look at a given responsibility, determine the information needed to fulfill it, and then determine where that information is stored. The information expert will lead to place the responsibility on the class with the information required to fulfill it. Low coupling. Low coupling is an evaluative pattern which dictates how to assign the responsibilities to support the low dependency between classes, low impact in a class of changes in another classes, high reuse potential. Now let us see about controller. The controller pattern assigns the responsibility of dealing with system events to a non-UI class that represent the overall system or a use case scenario. A controller object is a non-user interface object responsible for receiving or handling a system event. A use case controller should be used to deal with all system events of a use case and may be used for more than one use case. For instance, for the use cases create user and delete user, one can have one user controller instead of two separate use case controllers. Now let us see about high cohesion. High cohesion is an evaluative pattern that attempts to keep objects appropriately focused, manageable, and understandable. High cohesion is generally used in support of low coupling. The high cohesion means that the responsibilities of a given element are strongly related and highly focused. Breaking programs into classes and subsystems is an example of activities that increase the cohesive properties of a system. Alternatively, the low cohesion is a situation in which a given element has too many unrelated responsibilities. The UML identifies the four types of visibility, that is public, protected, private, and package. The UML specification does not require the attributes and operations visibility to be displayed on the class diagram, but it does require that it be defined for each attribute or operation. So these are the marks and visibility type. So the plus sign is given for the public visibility, the hash sign is given for protected visibility, and the minus sign is for private visibility, and the tilt signs for package. So this is an example of a bank account class which shows the visibility of its attributes and operations. So the bank account is the class name, and the attributes are owner and balance, and operations are deposit, withdrawal, and update balance. So the attributes are of the public visibility, and deposit withdrawal operations or have the public visibility, and the update balance have the protected visibility. Thank you.